You know how like that, you know that moment when you point at somebody, somebody point at you because you know the T and they know the T. What's up, guys? Welcome in and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are completely new, hello. I'm sincerely Niko. In today's video, we're gonna be trying out a new foundation that just launched in the beginning of the year. Well, before we even get into it, hello 2021. Please be good to us. If not, get ready to fight. Because 2020 was a hot mess, and girl, what was out, grabbed me by my edges and the roots in my hair and just started wearing me out. And I'm pretty sure she does the exact same thing to a lot of people in this world. Because girl, I could not take 2020. She was giving me the most. But anyways, new foundation just launched in stores this week, and that was from Decay. This is their Stay Naked HyrdoManic Tinted Glow Hydrator. Medium coverage up to 24-hour wear, kombucha filtrated marula oil hydrating foundation. So Urban Decay came out with a new foundation. I'm low-key excited that Urban Decay came out with a new foundation. Like, this is, ooh, hello. Foundations, I'm your guy. I'm the go-to dude for the foundations. That's my thing. I love foundations. I love trying out foundations for you guys. I love seeing what the coverage is. I love seeing, well, I really can't wear foundation out like that anyways, like I used to. I used to do wear tests. I used to love doing all that stuff, and 2020 didn't allow me to do none of it because I'm still dealing with people, and then of course I still work at my other makeup job on the side, and we're wearing masks, so I really didn't have a chance to actually wear foundation out and do a wear test. For a majority of the foundations in 2020, it's probably going to be the same in 2021 until we get this vaccine and everything go back to normal. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Knock on wood. What? Until then, I'm just going to try out the foundations here for you guys on YouTube. Just doing my regular schmegular routine, and just seeing how the foundation wears on my skin, which is combination oily. Does it cover up hyperpigmentation? As you guys can see, a girl got some situations going on here, but in 2021, this is going to be taken care of. We're not going to have this in 2021. We're going to work on that. But nevertheless, we're going to try out this foundation, see how it works. I want to give you guys my thoughts, review it, give you guys the details, let you guys know how it works, etc., etc. So if you guys are interested in seeing this foundation and how it works, definitely continue to keep on watching this video because we're about to get into it. But before we do get into this video, we got a little bit of housekeeping rules. If you are interested in joining the EXO Squad, which is not the X-Men, but just a super powerful ass man. If you'd like to join me here on YouTube and be a part of the EXO Squad, please hit that subscribe button. Join me here on YouTube. Let's get 2021 right, tight, and on site for a lot of great goals, a lot of great things, and I would love for you guys to be a part of the squad. So if you are lucky to bless me with a subscribe, I would love that. But other than that, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video.
You used to call me on mine. You used to. Yeah.
Do it for the gram. Do it for the gram. That's what it says right here. It says do it for the gram. I hope Chloe and Hyder don't come for me. Please don't come for me. So this is the Stay Naked HyrdoManic Tinted Glow Hydrator Foundation. So on the card it says this is the most manic glow meets insanely long-lasting coverage with the crazy combo of free radicals and nourishing oils to hydrate and detoxify. 24-hour hydrator, built-in 24-hour coverage and 24-hour glow. It's also vegan. So all my vegan girls, this is for you. Let me see what it says about it. It says it helps boost skin natural hydration up to 30%. Plus, application has never been easier with the on-the-go to tote around for touch-ups. It's a flexible formula that fits you. It's available in 12 shades. I mean, 50 is the new normal, but 12 shades. Then again, it's like a tinted moisturizer. Excuse. You're excused. You're excused. So it comes in 12 shades, ranging from Ultra Fair, which is shade 10, all the way to Ultra Deep, which is shade 90. I have these shade, well, Urban Decay sent me this shade number 81, which is Deep Neutral. It's one shade before the last shade. So we're going to see how this works on my skin. So enough talking. Let's go ahead and prep the skin. Get it good, looking right, looking tight, all night. And let's get on into this foundation. Alright, so guys, I'm back. Did a quick little eyeshadow look. If you guys are interested in how I created this eyeshadow, it will be on my Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and post a video of how I created this eyeshadow look. I'm just going to start doing... In 2021, I'm going to start spreading out my content on different platforms where I'm going to be focusing more or less on reviews here on YouTube, and I'm going to be doing more tutorials on Instagram. And just that I know tutorials here on YouTube doesn't really do well on my channel, but it does way more better on Instagram. So if you guys are interested on how I created this eyeshadow look, which is very easy peasy simple, you guys can check out me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave my Instagram information all down and below in the description bar below. Check it out. So let's go ahead and get into what you guys are here for, and that is the, what the heck is called, HyrdoManic Foundation from the Urban Decay Stay Naked collection. Everything with Urban Decay is pretty much stay naked, so they just want you to just be butt booty naked.
This shit getting out of hand!
At this point, we just gonna be butt booty naked. So I don't know if I told you the guys' price. It's only $30. So to compete with Laura Mercier or not to compete with Laura Mercier? That's the question. So comes with a little squeezy tube. I love that. Let's go ahead and apply a little bit. Wait a damn minute. Baby, this foundation, I think this is like literally the perfect shade. Okay, so this is one layer. I still have a little bit of hyperpigmentation right here peeping through, which is fine. It is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and I'm gonna use a sponge on this side. So let's see how it looks when you are applying it and blending it out with the sponge. Going overdose. I'm ODing on product, and I'm gonna take my Dark Skin Makeup Daily Sponge. We just gonna blend. This still has some good, decent coverage, though. This has some nice, decent coverage. Okay, so I'm gonna go in on this side with this brush, just for extra coverage. Just go in right there. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and complete the rest of the face. I'm going to speed through it. There's no need to talk about what I'm using. I'm going to leave all that down in the description bar below of every product that I'm using. But I'm going to go ahead and speed through this process and get to the end results with everything, I guess, set and settled. So let's go ahead and zoom on through. Alright guys, so the face is complete, set, and ready to go. I'm actually going to do a little wear test of this ordeal. The face was pretty much complete around about 11 p.m. It's already 12:48, so I had this foundation and face on for about an hour and a half to 2. So I'm gonna come back a little bit later to give you guys an update on how this foundation wears. It looks good. She looks good. Honestly, I feel like this is probably like the best foundation that I have ever met, besides Milk Makeup. That's like my favorite foundation right now. But I'm gonna come back a little bit later to give you guys an update. Again, it's like 11:47. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this video and another video just to kind of be ahead of the game, and I will be back to give you guys an update. Alright guys, so time is now 3:30. Had this foundation on for almost 3 hours. This is what it's looking like after sitting for a moment, filming TikToks, eating hot chicken wings, and all the above. She held up pretty decent. Only thing I did that changed was the lip color. I just put on the clear gloss for you guys for this video. But this was the most difficult wear test video ever. It still looks mattified, or it looks natural more or less on my skin. I have not blotted. I do have a little bit of oil here, which is normal. This is the most oiliest part of my face. So I feel like it held up very well. Personally, I feel like it held up very well. I feel like it didn't create any issues or crease in my smile lines. There's a little creasing, just a little, but I don't really care about that. I think it held up very well. Honestly, it's gonna be like a new foundation to grab. I'm excited for this foundation. Honestly, what do you guys think? Let me zoom you guys in. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up. And if you made it this far, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you guys to be a part of the EXO squad where we get lit on this side. I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here, get my face washed, and keep watching the presidential election to make sure that we turn officially blue for 2021. So, fingers crossed, if you guys are watching this today after the 5th, of course. Fingers crossed. I will see you guys in the next video, right? Right. Peace. Bye.
Yeah, I like it. That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city,